This is a short video going over how we built our over-the-engine cushion, and then a quick little tidbit of the foam wood floor we put in, which is a temporary solution for now.
We have the template for the rear engine cushion, so we're going to use this template to trace out and cut out the cushion portion, and then use the same template for the top and bottom of the upholstery cover that we're going to use on this. And again, temporary upholstery, we'll go back and do really nice white and turquoise vinyl later. And now we're going to use the same template for the upholstery. So on the top, we're going to leave a little bit, about an inch excess around it so we can stitch it all together. The little mini sewing machine we had failed on the back side, so we finished it with some hand stitching, and then now to get tension back in it, we're just going to fold it over itself and hot glue it. And it actually looks not completely horrible once you flip it over with that tension from the hot glue gun, so we'll throw it in the bus and see how it looks.
And then one little tack onto this video is the foam floor. We want to put a wood floor on this bus once we finish all the body work and paint, but for now we found these foam tiles on Amazon and they give us the same wood finish we're looking for. So we went ahead and threw these in there, cut them to size, and they work surprisingly well.